Part consolidation is a powerful technique for reducing the amount of parts in an assembly and comes with many benefits, including simplicity, cost reduction, and lightweighting. The Studio System 3D prints metal safely and easily to generate first prototypes and run low-volume production of consolidated assemblies. This timing belt pulley from Egar Tool & Die was consolidated from 4 parts: an aluminum extrusion, 2 screwed-on end plates, and a clamp collar, down to 1 part 3D printed in 17.4 pH stainless steel on the Studio System. 3D printing simplified the production workflow, eliminating the need for extensive machining, post-extrusion of the traditional aluminum component. Consolidating the entire assembly into 1 part significantly reduced the weight, allowing the servo motors they're attached to run faster, leading to an improved manufacturing environment at Egar. Part consolidation helps companies reduce assembly time, the labor costs associated with it, and the cost and weight of any welding, adhesives, or fasteners. Just another reason why bringing metal 3D printing into your organization with the user-friendly Studio System helps enable creativity and cost cutting in ways traditional manufacturing just can't.